Picture yourself in a tribe where every voice is heard, every idea is valued, and every success is celebrated. Look no further than our CloudShare tribe for customer education and sales experts. We're a tribe of educators, engineers, and innovators, united by our passion for connecting and making things happen. We love books, podcasts, the outdoors, pets, and most importantly, training and empowering customers and newcomers. Once you're in, you've entered a community that helps each other succeed, grow, and celebrate achievements. In our community, everyone is the hero of their own story. We do our best to take your skills to the next level with free learning resources. Feel free to join our global workshops and community parties for serious fun, learning, and networking. We know that micro-influencers and thought leaders matter. If you've learned a valuable lesson, read an interesting article, or just have some music recommendations for a training session warm-up, do share. Group learning accelerates success. Welcome to your virtual tribe. We look forward to hearing your unique and amazing voice. Join our community and be part of something bigger.